What
Still looks
exactly
slow to you,
is
though.
purple drink?
It's just, I think it's like I don't want to say Native American, and I don't know what terms are okay to use now, but it's like, it's kind of it's kind of like a Memphis condiment or so. I don't know what you'd call it.
That doesn't, I'm still lost.
It's like, it's cough syrup.
That's what I thought it was.
But it's like the square root of cough syrup. I mean, it's right there. It's that. It's that molecule. It's that,
Yeah,
you know.
extract out of it.
Yeah, it is like somebody fucking just had a cough deep in their fucking brain and they wanted to get that bitch.